Hello and welcome to the Automotive Diagnosis YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to change the engine oil and oil filter on Honda Accord 2008 to 2012. Please stay with us until the end of the video and press the like button if you enjoy the video. Open the oil filler cap, use the hoist, or just floor jack and jack stand, to lift the car up and get access to the engine sump and oil filter. Make sure transmission is on P position and handbrake is on. Clean around the sump plug and then remove it. Make sure to use the protective gloves and catch the oil by a drain pan. Take extra care as engine parts might be hot. Replace the washer and tighten the plug for 35 Nm. Tighten it by hand first to make sure that the plug is not cross-threaded. Don't over-tighten the sump plug as it might lead to the oil leak or the sump damage. Use the oil filter removal tool to remove the oil filter. Catch the oil by a drain pan. Give some clean oil to the oil filter O-ring, and fill the filter with the engine oil. This helps to supply the engine oil to all components from the very first moment of starting. Install the oil filter and tighten it by hand. Then clean around the oil filter and sump plug. For selecting the correct oil, as you see in the owner's manual, you can use different types of oil depends on the range of temperature in your country. So, check the temperature range and select the correct oil. For 2.4-liter engine, you need 4.2 liter of oil. So add the proper type and amount of oil to the engine. Put the oil filler cap back on, then wait for a couple of minutes. Then start the engine on, leave the engine running at idle and at the same time, make sure that the engine oil pressure warning light is not on at the instrument cluster. After that, turn off the engine, wait for a minute, and then check the oil level again and add oil if level is low. The final step is to check the sump plug and oil filter again to make sure that there is not any oil leak. Thanks for watching. For more information, don't forget to check the workshop manual or owner's manual for your car, and please visit our channel for more videos.